We all love French fries, and there is a proper way to make that perfect French fry. It has to be crisp from the outside and creamy and soft from the inside. To make that perfect French fry, you have to take the right potatoes. The potatoes need to be big, large. What we do first is peel the potatoes. Have a firm grip on the potato. A little slice just to rest the potato, and do that on all four sides. About 1/4 inch slices. Again 1/4 inch cut. There, you have your French fries. We take some fresh water and take these fries, put them in this water, and they will be refrigerated for about 2 to 3 hours. What will happen is that the potato will bleed its starch out, which will make the potatoes light, and when we fry them, the inside becomes soft and creamy. So, the next step is to boil some water. We will be blanching these fries and then deep freezing it. Alright, our water is boiling, time to take out the fries. Five minutes by the clock for the blanching. Turn off the gas and strain the potatoes. Take a napkin or a thick kitchen cloth. And just a little pat. Let them cool down for about 5 minutes. And now we transfer them to a zip pouch bag. Seal it. This goes in the deep freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, or till the time it's rock solid frozen. Put the pan on, add oil, and heat it to high. The oil is hot, it's time to take out the frozen French fries and deep fry them. Frozen straight out of the deep freezer into hot oil. Add generous amount of masala. French fries ready.